Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our Ru Kiln Lotus Trays. If you're interested in premium teaware, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Our Ru Kiln Lotus Trays provide a beautiful foundation for your tea setting at home. The trays are completely handcrafted in Taiwan by master ceramicist Xu Dejia in his signature Ru style Celadon. This Song Dynasty inspired glaze has a satiny texture and a gorgeous blue-green color. The surface is covered in a web of fine craquelure, which will deepen in color over time. Each tray includes two pieces, the lotus motif basin and a removable pot stand in the middle. This design provides an elegant and intuitive system for managing runoff water and excess tea leaves while brewing. These trays are also perfect complements to our Celadon and Yixing teapots, allowing you to easily pre-warm these vessels by pouring hot water on the exterior. This can also be done during the infusion to maintain the pot's temperature. To learn more about our range of premium teaware, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.